I'm joined now by Jeff Ackel. He is the CEO and founding partner of Sigma Thermal out of Atlanta. And welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the way from Atlanta last night and here at the conference today in Saskatoon.
Yeah, here at the conference today in Saskatoon,
Okay.
Lovely Saskatoon, Saskatchewan.
Well, listen, we want to talk a little bit about your presentation, but just to give us some background, Sigma Thermal is a fairly new company in the last 8 years or so. Tremendous growth. Can you tell us a little about the company?
Yeah. We were founded January of 2007,
Okay.
and January 2007. So we're roughly 7.5 years old. And myself and one other talented engineer started this company, and
Okay.
we've grown to about roughly 85, 86 talented people now.
Wow.
So it's been quite a bit of growth, and not exactly Silicon Valley.com type growth, but it's for a company that manufactures industrial equipment.
Such a short period of time.
It's a fairly short period of time for a company like us to have kind of grown up. Most of the projects that we're engaged in tend to unfold over a fairly long period of time, 6 months, 12 months. So if you think about it in that context, it's actually not that many project life cycles. We've enjoyed that growth, and we're looking forward to hopefully growing some more.
So here we are in Canada, northern Saskatchewan. Is Canada becoming an important market for you?
It is. It has been an important market for us, and we're hoping to continue that trend. We're roughly 50% of Sigma Thermal's business is international clientele, and of that 50%, roughly half of that is Canadian.
Wow.
So we have a very large footprint up here, which is kind of ironic for a company out of Atlanta, Georgia, to be doing the great percentage of their work in northwestern Canada, but for whatever reason, that's how the cards have been played. So
Close relationship with InproHeat might have helped.
yeah, we have a fantastic relationship with InproHeat, and that's been a big part of our success up here. And they do a tremendous job of really bringing us into the Canadian way of doing business in the Canadian marketplace and adapting our products to the particular challenges of the environment up here. And it's been a tremendous relationship for us, and we think for InproHeat as well. So
Great. Tell me a little bit about your presentation today, just an overview, the essence of it, the products that you talked about, the new heaters, electric heater systems that you're talking about.
Right.
Just a
Well,
overview.
the biggest thing that I want our customers or anybody who's watching our presentations to take away is what is Sigma Thermal. Sigma Thermal is an applications company. We hope that people will come to us with their heating industry or heating application challenges, and that we have a very broad range of products, and instead of shoehorning them into one particular product just because that's all we offer, we're able to provide them a broad range of solutions so that we can give them options and really help them attack their particular problem and solve their particular needs that are driven by their circumstances, as opposed to just applying a broad solution.
These aren't just cookie cutter solutions. And that's what I got from your presentation as well. That you want to take a good look at what they're doing. You have several ways of attacking it.
Yeah.
And finding a
solution. And we certainly have some standardized products, and we do have some cookie cutter solutions that we can apply in some circumstances, but it's often that is not the case.
And a problem-solving
right, and whether it be as you mentioned, we do have a new electric heater line that's just we've been developing over the last year or so, and that's a fantastic complement to our existing products. And we hope to bring people in, and if from a cost management standpoint, we can take an existing product and make that work for their application, or a standard product. We certainly hope we can do that, but if not, then we kind of go back to the drawing board, and in some cases start from scratch and develop a completely custom solution. So there's a wide variety of things that we do depending on what the client's needs are for any given application or process.
Well, it's been a great conference the last couple of days, and what I've really heard too is that, we're all talking about efficiency all the time, that these companies and Sigma Thermal, companies like Sigma Thermal, are always trying to develop the next best process, a more efficient process, more responsible systems. So
yeah, we do, and I think the key, in my opinion, to any successful business is staying at the forefront of technology and staying on the cutting edge of whatever it is you do.
Right.
And there's certainly nothing new about heat transfer or thermodynamics or burning things in general. It's certainly something that everybody's probably had some level of experience with. But I think specifically the most modern progression of combustion equipment has been on the controls and the instrumentation side. Even if you look at it in the context of the controls that are in your car or that are in your home appliances, you could really almost draw an analogy there directly with industrial process equipment. I mean, the level of sophistication today compared to even 5 or 6 years ago is phenomenal. And just like you can, you have technology today where you can monitor an entire industrial facility from your iPhone. And so, it really is some phenomenal technology. And not only that, that actually does play in a lot into the efficiency of the equipment itself, which means fewer hydrocarbons burned for the same net energy output. And that's, not only better for the environment, but it's also a consumption savings for the client.
Sure.
And that's important to everybody. So we certainly aggressively pursue those technologies, and we try and stay out front so that we're offering our clients the best that there is to have out there.
Well, thank you very much for this. This has been great. It's been a pleasure meeting you and getting to know your company a little better. I'm sure we'll bump into each other again soon.
Yeah, maybe so. Thank you.